What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, I'll show you how to draw the letter F from alphabet lore. Let's begin today's lesson at the very top of our page with the eyes. I'm going to start with the left eye, start right in the center. Just going to curve the eye going up and then bend that out towards the left. Now let's round out the side, coming around and then down. Let's go back over towards the right side, bend this down and then out. Now I'm going to close off the bottom with another curve, coming down and then in. Let's tuck the right eye in behind. We're going to step up, curve this up, and then out. Round up the side of the eye, coming down. Now we're going to pull this down and bend that in. Curve this in and up behind the left eye. Now I'm going to draw a straight line going across the eyes for the eyelid. Let's start from the top left. Draw a straight angle line coming down and in, and it'll separate the right eye. On the inside of the left eye, we're going to draw a half square for the pupil. We're going to start right in the middle of this line, come down, go across the bottom, and we'll pull that up, and we'll fill the inside of the pupil. Let's do the same thing inside the right eye. We're going to start halfway along this line, come down, go across the bottom towards the inside, pull that back up, and we'll fill the inside of the pupil. Now transform the F into a three-dimensional shape. Let's start underneath the right eye. Just going to curve the body going out and then down. Draw a straight line towards the bottom. Now we want to follow this curve coming back in. We'll go up and then bend that in. Let's draw another straight line coming down. Then again, we're going to follow that same curve going across and then down. We're not going to go all the way. Draw another line coming down. And then again, we're just going to follow that curve going back up and in towards the bottom. Let's bend the body coming out towards the left. Come straight down, then bend that across. Let's draw a straight angle line going up and out towards the back. Now we're going to bend the body going back up underneath the left eye. So go in, and we'll go straight up underneath. Now from these 2 points, we're going to draw a straight angle line going up and out towards the right. Close off the end with a straight line. Let's do the same thing along the bottom. Drawing that same angle line going up and out. And we'll close off the end. Let's go down to this bottom point. Again, drawing that same angled line. I'm going to follow this curve going back up and in underneath. Now from this top point, we're going to follow that same curve going across, just pull that in behind the eye. Now you want to add some teeth along the top. Starting from this point, we're going to come down and then back up. Let's leave a small gap, draw another tooth, and we'll do that one more time. Now from this point, we're going to follow that same curve, going in behind the teeth, and continue towards the inside tooth. Let's take this point and draw a straight angle line going in underneath. Let's draw the tip of the back tooth along the front, coming down and up. Now let's grab our medium gray and fill the top of the eyelids. We'll also use that same color across the front of the F. Grab our warm gray and fill in the top and the inside of the mouth. And then using our darker gray, we'll fill in the front side. And once we finished our coloring, we'll be sure to sign our artwork. And that's pretty much it. There's the letter F from alphabet lore. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.